welcome back. I haven't done a gaming video in a while, but I'm here with BlueZuby channel again. You've probably already guessed, but we're in Grinding Simulator right now. I'm not exactly sure how this works, so let's just try. Do we have to go into the grinder?
I have no idea how to play this.
Okay, alright. Alright. Let's put a tree in.
I'm gonna put Roblox sign in.
Oh wow. Let's do figure. Wait. Yes, figure.
Put in a tree.
Blue.
It's so satisfying.
I got a bunch of blues. Yeah.
I put Benny in.
Let's try glass.
What?
No.
Oh wow,
I
that's
don't
pretty cool.
know glass. Do I?
Okay.
It's not very.
Let's head over to the big grinder. The big grinder is just over to the right. If you guys join the game, you gotta join the group. And then the big grinders, you'll spawn over here. But then, so look, let's see what happens when we drop this lighter into the small grinder. So it's not very good.
Oh, there's the big grinder. Oh, I got the big grinder.
So then let's come over to the big grinder and then drop the lighter in here. Yeah, see that's much better.
Drop the lighter.
Yep, that's much better. Yeah, the soap just is gone. Let's try Baldi. I feel like he'll just fall through. Yep, he just goes right through. Freddy Fazbear. Ooh, grenade. Okay. Oh, blue. This is like a wall of blues.
This brick wall, which is easy.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff here. I got a bunch of new stuff. I just dropped the bouncy balls through. I just dropped the bouncy balls straight through. Oh, the bomb. It didn't even blow up. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go over to this one. Let's see if it blows up in the small grinder. Yeah, it does. Let's try bouncy balls in the small grinder. Okay, I just got a black hole. First of all, let's try the black hole in the small grinder. Oh, wow. Okay. Nothing happened.
If I wait 500 more seconds, I can get a Skibidi toilet.
Hey, this is me. I got the YouTube play button. Bam, bam. All right, let's try the black hole in the bigger grinder.